Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to request a refund of Udemy course. Just follow these easy steps. Please note, you can request a refund by using two ways. First is purchase history, and second via course player, and keep in mind, most refunds are returned via the original payment method. Please note that certain restrictions may apply and some purchases may only be eligible for credit refunds. Refund requests cannot be submitted in the Udemy mobile app. You have to use PC or laptop. Method 1. Request a refund from your purchase history. Log into your account and navigate to your purchase history. Locate the course you wish to refund. Below the course title, click Request Refund. You will be directed to the course refund page. If your course was purchased as part of a shopping cart transaction, click View All Courses to expand the shopping cart and then click Request Refund below the course title. Next, select your refund method. If your transaction is eligible for a refund to your original payment method, you can choose to receive Udemy credits instead. Select a reason why you're requesting a full or partial refund. Please see below for the course and then enter a brief description. The information you provide can help Udemy and the instructor improve moving forward. Click Submit. After submitting, they will email you status of your refund. And you are done. Method 2. Request a refund from the course player. Log into your account and go to the course in My Learning. Next, click on the ellipses 3 dots at the top right-hand corner of the course player. Select Request a Refund in the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the course refund page, where you can submit your refund request. Follow all steps of refund and provide a reason for refund and submit your request. After submitting, they will email you status of your refund. And you are done.